in case you were unaware, Rihanna has released the remix to our song Birthday Cake. Now, Birthday Cake is just one in many meaningful, emotive, musically sensible, and pitch, delightful songs that Rihanna have in her repertoire, right? But in order to piss people off and to ensure that the single sell, what she has done is she has put Chris Brown on the remix. So, in case you don't remember, Chris Brown, like a couple years ago, did like bite her and her forehead, beat her up and all of them type of stuff, right? So, of course, now everybody upset about the thing. Everybody's displeased because Rihanna has gone and started talking to Chris Brown again and all them something here. Now, look, I ask you something. Is your sister? Are your mama? She's a close personal friend of yours? You've seen she ever give you a drop down the road bottom when you go to church or something like that? Do you know the girl? Because I would like to know why it is that every single time it is, she do something on have a whole heap of commentary upon it. But don't realize that Rihanna and Chris Brown have been singing to one another for several years now. You don't realize that in her last video, the boy in the video look exactly like Chris Brown. You don't realize that Chris Brown have a whole heap of songs about who he's missing and who was the one for him and who he let get away and all of these types of themes. You don't realize that Rihanna have the same songs. So only never stop long enough to put two and two together to realize that they were singing to them one another. No, never stop to do that. Because in my humble opinion, you know, Rihanna and Chris Brown have been back in a relationship for about 1 year and 2 months. Yes, for about 1 year and 2 months they have been happily in a relationship. And the people them that them claim to do with, them really there with those people. But they're involved in some type of strange polyamorous thing where they are still with them one another. Yes, they are. And the relationship sort out. It is very solid. They are making music together and quite happy. So why are you allowing it to bother you? Look here. Rihanna and Chris Brown is friend, like how PG and Siaga is friend. And in case you never remember, when election run and anybody win, it's them get the money. You don't get any. You get $1,000 to go and vote. You get a cap full of white rum and you get a plate full of curry goat. You understand what I'm saying? So if you know what I mean, you go and concentrate on your own relationship and stop bothering yourself about Rihanna because she's walking up and down getting 1 million tattoos, wearing all type of blood red hair and having the time of her life with the man that she loves. So only just leave her alone. In beat her, him say him reform, she forgive him. Any second now you just go hear about a surprise wedding and she go and bust her brain. Yeah, just like that. So it's not your birthday, it's not your cake. Leave the girl alone to lead her life. You know what I'm saying? Good.